We said it's a very good concept in the sense that you cheer up your member to make sure that he pushes. So some of the other members that are not running, they just push him a little so that at least he knows the expectations that the team is waiting for him here, so they can push him 2 kilometers just to push him so that he's excited that the members are with him when he's running. When he finishes the 10K, the next one that is coming, another fresh member also supports that one and we run. And it just provides that good vibe in terms of the team spirit, and everybody's happy and smiling and exciting. Yes, so this concept is really a good training ground even for all the team. That's why I would encourage almost all the teams or all the teams in Swaziland, even from South Africa or anywhere international, to come and join ahead for the next event that is coming next year, so that at least it becomes a bigger one. A bigger crowd for this is going to make it so exciting. I think you will just experience the vibe and enjoy when everybody is cheering up for like 20, 30 teams. It's going to be exciting.
A friend of mine, one afternoon, where I'm studying in Dubai, we were just sitting with a group of friends at one of my friends' apartment. And one friend of mine, his name is Amos from Kenya. At my university, he's studying architecture. So he was working on a project. So while we were sitting there that afternoon in the apartment, he had a model, what he was working on. So I got curious. I asked him, what is this? And he says to me, it's a sports recreational center. I said, oh, really? He says, yes. Then I said, okay, tell me more about it. And then he started explaining that it's a facility where multiple sports can take place in one facility. Indoor horse riding, swimming, basketball, indoor tennis, a lot of sports, but more of indoor. And because sports and fitness is my passion, I felt like he was speaking to me. And from there, that's how I got inspired. I said, it'd be nice to have this in our country, in the Kingdom of Eswatini. So from there, I started developing the vision. And not just only that, but living in Dubai, there's a lot of events, especially sporting events. And it's really a big motivation and an inspiration to see a city, just a city, so active. And it's breathtaking. So I felt, with that knowledge and that experience, I can bring it back to the country, the Kingdom of Eswatini. And I believe that, with sports is very big in a country, economically, through tourism. There's a lot a country can gain just from sports, And also there are other athletes who are today are politicians. For example, like the famous boxer, Pacquiao from the Philippines. He's a politician, but he's a boxer as well. In today's event, it was a relay marathon, first of its kind in the country. Even myself, I've never heard of it. So when we sat down with my team, they advised, maybe let's do a relay marathon. I said, that's a brilliant idea. Teams of 5, each person runs 10 kilometers. It's our first time to have an event like this. Yes, it's not what we expected, but I must say I am impressed with the attendance of people, the number of people that came. And we've learned that next year and so forth, we want to make it bigger and bigger and bigger. I am proud of what we have done as a foundation. We've done a lot. A lot has happened in this 3 months since we launched in May. I am impressed, and I believe that in the future it will grow bigger and bigger.